What's good, people? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network. Just want to check in real quick, y'all, before I go coach these boys up on the basketball court. But real quick, want to let y'all know, it's official, y'all. I am going to go ahead and do the CBN conference. The Clean Biz Network conference will take place this year, 2026. I've been saying I was going to skip this year for so long. Y'all begged me enough. Y'all convinced me enough, and I kind of got myself in the mental space enough where I feel like I might can deal with it again. So we're going to do it in Jacksonville. Keep it light on myself this year. Can't tell you where, if we're going to do next year. It probably won't be in Jacksonville. But we're doing Jacksonville this year. It's going to be October 8th and 9th. More details coming as far as the venue goes. What else? Speakers. I'll keep y'all posted on that. If you're looking to be a sponsor or a vendor, that information will be on the site at cbnconference.com. You can get early bird tickets right now at cbnconference.com. That's www.cbnconference.com. And the early bird tickets are discounted. Both of them are already discounted for $100 each. So after July 31st, both prices for all of the tickets that we got, because we got regular admission and we got the tickets that include your hotel stay, and then we also got virtual tickets also. So all of those tickets are going to go up on August 1st. So go ahead and get the early bird tickets now while you can. And so because we have limited information out there, that's also why the early bird tickets are priced a little bit lower. As we start to get more information, start finalizing things, that's when the price is going to go up. So go ahead and get yours early before they do. All right, if you know you're coming, you know it's going to be in Jacksonville, go ahead and be ready to show up. All right, what else we got? Automation program, we ended it. Me and Sherman had a nice little conversation, and we strategized, and we just kind of decided that all good things come to an end. You know what I mean? We decided it's just trying to go in another direction. So we will be ending the automation program for good. So if you are in that program, make sure that you go in the automation channel and ask all of the questions that you want to ask us now before we shut it off. When we shut it off, we shut it off. Like, ain't gonna be no, oh, you in there, so we still couldn't. No, that's it. If you want to talk to one of us after the program ends, by a consultation is pretty much how that's gonna go. But getting rid of it, I've been told y'all I'm leaning into clarity this year for the rest of this year. That's the word. As a matter of fact, that's the slogan for the CBN conference. All right, finishing off the year with clarity. I forgot exactly how I worded it on the flyer, but we finishing off the year with clarity, y'all. So that's what it is. Closing the year with clarity, I think, is the actual tagline. So that's what we're doing, and that's why I'm just trying to minimize as much as I can as far as my offers and my products and my services. Y'all know we already shut down the lead generation service to the public. You can only get the leads from the Clean Biz Network if you are a Clean Biz Network member now. You got to be within that community, y'all. It's only $99. A lot of people forget that. Like, people be thinking it's so astronomical price because we offer so much value, but it's literally only $99 a month to be a CBN member. So you can get started today. Just go to cleanbiznetwork.com, click join. You join that basic membership, you're good. 10-10 program, still there. It's just like the basic membership, but better, because you get one-on-one coaching instead of just the group coaching. You get that coach that's gonna hold you accountable, tell you what you need to do to grow by 10 grand per month, every single month, all right? Recurring contracts, all right? But I just wanted to pop in, give y'all the updates, man. So cbnconference.com for those tickets. For the automation program, if you're trying to get that before we end that next month, you only got a little bit of time. Go to cleanbizuniversity.com/automation. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully this helps. I hope I ain't forgetting nothing else. I'll give y'all some, be back real good, like some content too as well here shortly. But I just want to come in and pop up here, make this announcement. Everybody been asking about the conference. I said, you know what, let me get this information out now. We don't got a lot of time. I only got 3 months to get everything together, y'all. 3 months to get your tickets, 3 months to make this thing happen, y'all. So if you want to pull up to the CBN, we like to call it the Clean Your Business Family Reunion, y'all. Make sure y'all pull up, link up with us. All your favorite people probably gonna be there that you watch on YouTube. We always like to link up at the CBN conference, y'all. So make sure y'all pull up, get your tickets. Thank y'all so much for watching, subscribing, sharing, and liking. If you got comments, drop them. If you got questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm out of here. Thank y'all.